Want your yard to look like this for Halloween? You don't need fancy tools and you don't need to spend too much. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to wrap trees with lights using nothing but PVC and zip ties. This method saves time, saves money, and makes it way easier to decorate year after year. I already had a ton of lights in storage. Most people have some old strands lying around, maybe from Christmas, maybe from past Halloweens, so don't go buy new ones if you don't have to. For this project, we'll be breaking them down into easy to manage sections. Here's what you'll need. First, your lights. I already had a ton sitting in storage and you probably do too. Next, PVC pipe. This is cheap, it comes in long pieces and we'll be cutting it down. A drill with small bits for zip tie holes. Then zip ties. Get a range of sizes, small and medium for the lights, large ones for hanging. And rough grit sandpaper and spray paint to help with the PVC blending in with the tree trunks. And finally, an outdoor safe extension cord with a weatherproof plug protector. So, here's step one. Lay out your lights and count the bulbs or measure the length. We're going to divide them into roughly 4-foot sections. Why 4 feet? Because it's short enough to handle easily, but long enough to cover good ground. If you've got a strand that's, let's say, 40 feet long, that gives you about 10 PVC sticks. This step makes the whole process organized instead of one giant tangled mess. Next up, we're going to cut the PVC into matching 4-foot pieces. Standard half-inch PVC pipe works perfectly for this. It's light, it's cheap, and it's strong enough to hold the lights. I like to use my miter saw to cut this. Cut as many 4-foot sections as you need for your light strands. It doesn't have to be perfect down to the inch, just keep it close. Now, grab a drill and a small bit, about the size of your zip ties. Drill holes every 4 inches down the pipe, alternating sides as you go. These little holes are where the zip ties will go through to hold the lights in place. The spacing keeps your lights secure and evenly wrapped. Trust me, this part saves a ton of frustration later. Once you've drilled all of your pipes, give them a quick rough sand. This knocks off any sharp edges and helps paint stick. Then, spray paint the PVC to match your tree trunks. Brown or black usually blends in well. This step makes your lights disappear into the tree during the day, so all you see at night is the glow. It's optional, but it makes a huge difference in the final look. Now comes the fun part. Take your light strand and use zip ties to lock it in every few inches. Start at one end and work your way down. Pull the ties snug, but don't cinch them too tight. You don't want to pinch the wire. When you're done, trim off the extra tails, and do this for every PVC section you've got. So here's the beauty of this method. These PVC sections are sturdy but flexible. You can fold them, stack them, carry them around easily, and when the season's over, you just bundle them up and store them without any tangles. Next year, they're ready to go straight onto the tree. Now, how you attach them depends on your tree's shape and growth that year. For tall, skinny trunks, run the PVC straight up. For big, spreading branches, attach the pieces horizontally along the branch undersides. There's no single right way. Let the tree guide you. Start with the trunk, then move to the major branches. Quick tip, use a range of clear zip ties. Small ones for attaching the lights to the PVC, medium ones for lighter branches, and big heavy-duty ties for securing to the main trunk or thicker branches. Clear ties almost always disappear in the daylight and they hold really well. Just remember to snip off the tails so nothing sticks out. Once everything's wrapped, it's time to plug in. Always use a weatherproof plug protector and if possible a GFCI outlet. That keeps everything safe from rain or morning dew. I like to test each section before I hang it up, and then again once it's on the tree. That way you catch any bad bulbs early. And that's it. With lights, PVC, and a few zip ties, you've got an awesome glowing tree for Halloween. Plus, doing it this way takes way less effort than fighting with tangled light strands. And when the season's over, everything folds up and stores easily until the next year. No tangles, no tools, no stress. Just zip it up, plug it in, and enjoy. If you try this out, let me know in the comments what you're decorating this year. And if you found this helpful, please hit like and subscribe. It really helps me make more DIY Halloween projects like this one. Thanks for watching.